Hi everyone, my name is Mehdi Mirfata and I'm recording this orientation to get you started with your class. When you log in to your class on Canvas, you would see a similar page like this. You may see a different logo here for your college since I'm teaching this course at different community colleges. Read the information about me, your instructor, and you can click on Start here. You would see a video presentation similar to what I'm presenting to you right now here. A copy of that would be appears, so you can go back and revisit this session here. Then you keep clicking on the next to go to the next page. For this class, using portfolio, so you're expected to put together a portfolio, and this clip here shows you how to put the portfolio together. A few of my students are demoing their portfolio here for you, and you need to click on the syllabus and print the calendar only and include in your portfolio, and of course read the rest of the information in the syllabus. And the next step is to post your bio for this class. Click on next and read the instructions carefully here, and the rubric it shows here as how you would receive points. If you click on these three dots here, you can show the rubrics, and you would receive 1 point for posting your bio, 1 point when you embed your picture in the bio, and you will receive another point when you respond to at least one students in class. You could get a total of 3 points for this activity. You can read my bio here, and this is instruction as how to embed your picture in your page here to complete your bio. You just simply click on reply and you complete your bio here. Click on next. Here it shows how to register for my lab and mastery. This is the package we're going to use for this class. You don't need the physical textbook for this course. Once you register for my lab and mastery, you would receive an ebook and all the assignments you need to complete this course. And this video would show you how to sign up for my lab and mastering. The first 14 days is free, and after that you need to register for the package. Once you complete that, you can access the ebook and class assignments. You can click on next. You would see the checklist. As you can see, it says by now you should be done with the following assignments, registered for my lab and mastering, and there's a link here to show you how to do that. Printed the calendar from the syllabus to include in your portfolio. Again, there's a link here to the syllabus and also how to build your portfolio here. And posted your bio in the discussion forum. Again, there's a link here to take you to the bio section, or you can click on the previous to go back to these instructions. If you're done with all these, you can click on next, and this is where we start viewing the PowerPoint presentations. As you can see in the left section, you can click to change the pages of the PowerPoint, and you can click on the video lecture here for this PowerPoint presentation. So you can fast forward this video lecture for the sections that you're browsing here in this PowerPoint. And then you can click on next to go to the next set of PowerPoint presentation the same way, and the next one after. Once you're done with those PowerPoint presentations, you would see a list of other video lectures that I strongly recommend to at least view a few of them, and especially for the sections that you still feel you need to practice more or you are still struggling with those topics. The very first one is a video lectures for chapter 1 from the publisher. If you click on this, it would take you to all the examples and video presentations. And if you click on the next set here, video lectures, when you click on the next one, it would take you to one of my colleagues' video lectures on that topic. So I strongly suggest to view these in this order for each topics as needed. And the last one here also would take you to the YouTube video lectures for more traditional lectures for the same topics. So you have a choice of selecting any of these extra video lectures available to view. Animated flowchart also is a really good tool. As you can see, it's presented to you in these orders. Just click on them and go over each topics as you need. So this page basically gives you extra video lectures for the sections that we covered. If you click on next, it would take you to the page where you need to log into My Lab and Mastering and complete the online homework assignments there. As you complete the homework assignments in My Lab and Mastering, your grade would automatically recorded in the grading system on Canvas. You can also see your grades in My Lab and Mastering. Then when you click on next, it would take you to the next set of PowerPoint presentations, and some of these we would cover them during the online sessions and discuss them in detail, and the video would be appear here. And again, as you can see, you have the set of extra video lectures by the same colleagues in the same order here for the following chapters. And then when you click on next, it would direct you to complete the online homework assignments in My Lab and Mastering, and then it would take you to next set of presentations here, and then show you the supplemental videos again, and it would direct you to complete the online homework assignments again for this section. And at this point, you need to print the practice test. As you can see, this is the practice test. You can maximize this page and download it and print it. That should be in your portfolio. The solution to the practice test also, as you can see, is right next to it in the second column. And also the video lecture of the practice test here appears on the next column, where you go over the solution step by step. Make sure you complete the practice test on your own first, and then compare your answers with the solutions, and that should be included in your portfolio. And the next thing you want to do is to post your summary sheet for what you covered for practice test number 1 in the discussion forum. This is where you earn points for doing this, and also you can bring those summary sheets to the exam, and then when you need to click on reply to submit your summary sheets. And these are all same video lectures here as how to embed your summary sheet here in this forum. And if you click on next, it will give you a checklist again to what you'll be completed by that time. It says by now you should be done with the following assignments: viewed all the PowerPoint presentations, posted your summary sheet in the discussion forum, printed and completed the practice test number 1 and included in your portfolio. And you can see the formula sheets, link to the formula sheets and tables that you can print and bring it to exam. Also, you can see the instructions as how to use your calculator. You have a TI calculator reference page here where you can use to get familiar with your calculator. The practice test that you see here is very similar to the exams that you take on campus, so please pay good attention to that. And when you click on the next, it would pretty much follows the same path to complete the assignments for preparing for the second exam. Pretty much the same way. You go over the presentations and you would see the list of all the extra video lectures and so on. Pretty much the rest of the steps are the same throughout the semester. You can click on the modules here and you can jump to different pages that I'm showing you in that order. This is the link to the syllabus. You can jump into the syllabus. You can jump into the class announcements from here as well. Please read all the class announcements carefully. You can go over the syllabus here. All the information about the course are listed here. Also, how to register for my lab and mastering link also is here if you want to jump into that from the menu. Discussion links are right here. Pay attention to the discussion. You have a general forum here, Q&A forums, where you can put general questions here, student bio, and these are the forums that you can post your math questions, and also post your summary sheets here under the discussion forums. You can also see the assignments in order if you need that, and all your grade would get populated here. When you log into the Pearson site, you would see the Multimedia Library link. When you click on that, you can select any chapter and the section. You can select all or select whatever resources that you're interested to open. I'm going to go ahead and select all. As you can see, we have all these chapter review exercises video available here for you, as well as multimedia textbook, the ebook, and also the section video lectures. Some of these video lectures are already posted in the Multimedia Library in Canvas. We also have the PowerPoint presentations here, and we have more video clips. So you can explore these resources here as needed. Then when you're ready to complete the homework assignments, you click on assignments and homework, and you would select each chapter. You notice that the homework assignments are not going to be available to you until you click on these resources that are available to you. These are the video lectures would open up as you click on them. And as soon as you click on them, the homework assignments would be revealed to you, where you can open up and start taking the homework assignments. As you can see, this is the first problem. In this set, we have 27 problems. There is a question help here. Please make sure you click on as needed, and you would see for most problems, you have a similar problem with its solution. Take advantage of that. And as you complete these problems, you would see either a check mark or a red X mark next to each problem. If they're correct, you would see a check mark, green check mark. If not correct, you would see a red X mark appears next to each problem that you did wrong. And if you click on this here, you would see a list of the problems you completed. And then if you want to change the X red mark to the green check mark, that's all you have to do is just do a similar problem, which appears at the bottom page. If you complete that problem here, you can correct that problem. So potentially you can get 100% on the homework assignments, since you have the question help here for you to see a solution to similar problems, and you can take similar problems to correct each of these homework assignments. As you do these homework assignments, you can stop at any time. The program would remember where you finish, and it would start the program from where you left off. So you don't have to do all this in one activity. So you can just leave there, and then when you come back to it, it will remember which problem you did correct. So make sure you complete all the homework assignments for the time is assigned to you. There's a due date for completing each activity here. The program would allow you to complete the homework assignments after the due date. However, you would get deducted 10% if you do it late. So mark your calendar to complete these homework assignments on time. So pretty much when you log into the Pearson site, the Multimedia Library and the online homework assignments are the two links that you would have access to that, and the rest of the activity is going to be on Canvas site. Okay, so this is an example of another homework assignment. So if I randomly pick one here, you would see, like for this problem right here, we have a question help. You can see the link called help me solve this or view an example. Help me solve this would go through step by step, show how to solve this problem, and once we're done with that process, this problem will change to a different problem. I personally like view an examples better, because when you click on this view an example, it shows you a similar problem with different numbers right next to that, and it goes through step-by-step solution as how to solve this problem. And then once you view that, you can go ahead and work on the same problem that you started and finish this problem. So these are the excellent tools for you. You can print this page as you wish, and you have video lectures which related to this problem available next to most of these problems. Also, you have animations. Also, there are excellent tools to understand each of these problems if you have any questions. You can also send your questions to me at any time. Also, you can post your questions in the discussion forum on Canvas. Now log into your class, read all the class announcements, start the class assignments, and email all your questions from class. Have a great semester.